अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को हिंदी रीडिंग में पढ़ें। आज हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 8 लेसन 5 द समिट विद इन के शब्दों का उच्चारण हिंदी में करेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 73 का रीडिंग करेंगे। लेसन है आपका द समिट विद इन और पेज नंबर 73 ये आपका है। इसके अंतर्गत जितने भी अंग्रेजी के शब्द लिखे हुए हैं सबों का हम हिंदी उच्चारण करेंगे, जिससे आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना हम लोग सीख सकते हैं। पेज नंबर 73। Even when getting down from the summit, once the physical exhaustion had gone, I began asking myself the question why I had climbed Everest. Why did the act of reaching the summit have such a hold on my imagination? It was already a thing of the past, something done yesterday. With every passing day, it would become more remote, and then what would remain? Would my memories fade slowly away? All these thoughts led me to question myself as to why people climb mountains. It is not easy to answer the question. The simplest answer would be, as others have said, because it is there. It presents great difficulties. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. The obstacles in climbing a mountain are physical. A climb to a summit means endurance, persistence, and willpower. The demonstration of these physical qualities is no doubt exhilarating, as it was for me also. I have a more personal answer to the question from my childhood. I have been attracted by mountains. I had been miserable, lost when away from mountains in the plains. Mountains are nature at its best. Their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge, and like Many, I believe that mountains are a means of communion with God. Once having granted this, the question remains, why Everest? Because it is the highest, the mightiest, and has defeated many previous attempts. It takes the last ounce of one's energy. It is a brutal struggle with rock and ice. Once taken up, it cannot be given up halfway. Even when one's life is at stake, the passage back is as difficult as the passage onwards. And then when the summit is climbed, there is the exhilaration, the joy of having done something, the sense of a battle fought and won. There is a feeling of victory and of happiness. Glimpsing a peak in the distance, I get transported to another world. I experience a change within myself. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 73 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।